again.
Peek down at the bottom like you were.
Oh my God!
All right.
Okay.
No run. Walk, guys.
Garrett. Garrett.
Skylanders! Skylanders! Skylander Giants!
Haley. Hey, no, don't start grabbing presents.
Haley.
Look.
Look on the couch. Look on the couch, Haley.
Annie, look, here's your new presents. Look.
Look at the ceiling.
I know. Haley, you got a dream light? I got a dream light. Dream light. How do you turn this thing off, though?
You got a button on top.
Look at him conserving energy like a good Portlander.
Different colors.
Enough of that one.
Where do you want? Do you want us over?